Dana Pranam, Saribol. Grateful to be back in Sri Sri Gauri Thai's house. With all you lovely devotees. I remember we had such a wonderful kirtan here last time. I'm happy we got to come back and do it again. Kartik ji, come and sit close, Baba. So last time we sung so many beautiful songs. It was the month of Kartik. So we got to sing many, many rich, beautiful songs for the month of Damodar. And actually when we look at our Vaishnav calendar, it's not only the month of Kartik where we see one of the most dense, jam-packed spiritual times of the year. It's actually this season too. So I'm grateful to be here in this early part of the year around the month of Holi. We just entered Vasant Panchami a few days ago. And on Vasant Panchami, the first day of spring, every temple in Vrindavan, all of the deities are dressed in a very soft yellow color. Has anyone been in Vrindavan on Vasant Panchami? Yeah, some of us have. So beautiful. And many of our temples around the world on that day, Vasant Panchami, Radha Krishna wearing a very beautiful soft yellow color. So this season for us, those of us of Gaudiya Vaishnav community, we can say, this month is so rich as we're leading up to the golden moon, Gauda Purnima, which is, as we know, the birth date of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu ki jai! Who's the Prema Avatar, giving prem through Nam Sankirtan to all of us here in Kali Yuga. A few days ago it was Advaita Saptami. Advaita Saptami, as we know from the Panchatattva, is the elder. And he came many, many, many years before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And those of us that know Advaita Acharya, we know him to be a very special, we can say, avatar in a sense, because he is part Vishnu and part Shiva also. And he must have been about 40 or 60 years old, very old actually in a sense, before Mahaprabhu came, and he was praying for many, many years to Shalagam Shila, with Ganga water, with Tulasi leaf, and he was saying, "Oh Lord Krishna, oh Sriman Narayan, Lord Vaikuntha, the world is going crazy, and in the future it will go more crazy actually. But if you, Shri Krishna, who has danced on planet Earth, if you come again, please, but this time make everybody dance and save the world." So Advaita Acharya's birthday was just a few days ago, and we recently learned, random fact, he lived to 120 years old as well. And soon, this Monday, is Nityananda Trayodasi, which is the birth date of Balaram Avatar Nityananda. Shri Nityananda Prabhu ki jai! And as many of us know, he will not deny any of us the love of Krishna. Really? No, never. Nityananda Prabhu can never deny anyone the gift of bhakti. So finally then, as I said, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's birthday is coming up. So this is a very wonderful time of the year. Every day is good for bhakti, but this month is some extra. I've been requested to sing a song. I think it might be in connection to this month. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Koro More, a Bengali song written by Narottam Das Thakur. So if you don't know it by memory, then you can search it on your phone, or maybe there's some songbooks. But this is a very, very important song describing Mahaprabhu and all of his associates. So I'll read it first, and then we'll sing it after. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Koro More. Oh, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu, be merciful to me, except for you, who in this material existence is so full of compassion. The reason for your descent is to deliver the fallen souls. O Lord, you will not find anyone else as full as me. O Nityananda Prabhu, who is always joyful in ecstatic love, glance upon me with compassion, for I am very sorrowful. O Advaita Gosai, husband of Sita, Be kind to me. By the power of your mercy, I can surely attain Chaitanya Nitai. Alas, O Swarup Damodar Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Rupa Goswami, and Raghunath Das Goswami, O Gopal Bhatta Goswami, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, and Jiva Goswami, O my master Lokanath Goswami. Be merciful, O Prabhu Srinivas Acharya. Narottam Das begs for the association of Ramachandra Kaviraj. So this is a very amazing bhajan that we're going to get to call out to the mercy and the affection of all these amazing devotees and associates of the Lord. First of all, we do a short Mangalacharan. I know Harinam started Kirtan already, but we do a short Mangalacharan. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Everybody together. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Shri Vasavi Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare. One more time for the whole world. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Rama Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Koro Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Kuru
Shri Krishna Chaitanya